I don't know where I am. Boom! And here's my house. And did you know we added a Christmas tree too? Look. Look. Hello. Hi guys, this is Anya. Would you like to see how I build the magnetized box? Like this? Oh, I guess you're gonna like, woo, 2 pieces came out. So I got some stuffy toys. They're my friends. And they're not real friends. Just stuffy toys. And my name is Anya, and I'm going to show you how to make this. But like I lost this part. So I'm going to show you how to build the fence. And I'm going to do like these small parts. I'm going to go here, there, and there, or like something like that. So let's get started. Let's take out all the magnetized blocks. And do you know how many magnetized blocks are there?
How many?
It says 38 pieces. Look.
Okay.
Now let's take out the magnetized blocks. And let's put it under my head. I mean over my head.
Why? No, don't do that, Anya. So how to see? How can I see? Can we?
Of course, we can move the table.
Oh my God, that looks amazing, Anya. So do you wanna explain your house, Anya?
Yeah, it goes like a roof, but it's not a real house.
Okay.
It's made out of magnetic blocks. And did you know magnetic blocks can stick to each other? Look.
No, don't spoil it. Don't spoil it.
See, I told you, they're magnetic blocks. They can stick.
What do you wanna say, Anya?
Thanks for looking at me build a magnetic building. And it's a house, not a building. And maybe the red piece can be the road. The table could be the road. And I can add my toy school bus moving around. And if you could go in the school bus. And please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button. It's like a bell and then click it on it like